yenya no wati num yenya different keeper go to so nya de ni changes bia anya ade odu fanti mama bate na de be yesa nkofo we no wa be hu krom bia na mugamu so wo wa train no ho adena e be bo odua so nya wana me ko ka na be bo me wate na obi ande awurade nya me keeper we nya de je se fado go no kuno kasa no adua na ni adua na wa fase no kasa no me se keeper nya de coach nya de yen hia no wati nu
sponsors ewe league ni na akichano so ewo so a why not we bet na ball player no be almost 3-4 years na one match year before us so be two can cry with two cry then am say be to so be net ka do share business for nti bo one season na offer bi aba na wo ho pro so be ko kona be hwefi
say ayi akatia ne nhyada anye
ya die boss ana mekano
Right, Okuma 97.1. Yes, ba Ayokuma Global Sports. Oshane Moran wasro, and Moran wasro. Na Aviana Trasene, Sagudia Musam near ba. And Agudia Musam, you have Trasana Fensunia to my domosuko up and Sempensemu up and Puma bread. Na ene go on ba be di no che ene meni abre message san meni abre o hwe man bo mo bo krom ha de anfa so ya ba so ti ase na ye women's league ne ba be ka wan se me man football no ye ba be di mu nkomo ye de bia na ye be ka me man dia ne sa o hwe modern ba Zakers ladies e bo e wo Egypt se efata se de ye be bo ma ba so ani Zakers ladies enu ada ko pie mo Egypt. So far, African Women's Champions League. I'm about two matches in the United Atuma winning. Na yes, I'm winning keke. First game, Atuma 3-1. And now second match, I said 3-0. The trust a man football no. You discuss him at the award in Shema. Ebe and then quite Ben, you bet my far a bona fence and man football not my fan into my perfra El Ghana ha. And can it be another Black Queen stage and I so. Overshare need the lights of a drop by more. Messi to go quack more bresso. Florence, that's the more. No more my Black Queen said to me calling him. But this time around, I say you judge a man of football. No, every be a champion black lady said Bob Boy say yes, and then near my farm Black Princesses and they be success players in the crowd be in fact near the Akuba national team. No, but in kakran ye piano the queen him. Azaka ladies eba Ampem Dakwan ladies, Berry ladies, Fabulous ladies, Prisons ladies and the police ladies more. The GDC board the support and more almost any yeah man football room and kebet my boy. The man coco tutu papa so some fashion back room ha. but Azakas ladies some first time near mo ball African Women Champions League. Kaisha no say no matuma wini wafu zone B dia no mo no mje ye. Na ansa na umeko wafu no kra no maje the Women's Premier League okroma. Asen aje Women's FA Cup. Ana mo koye kwaji wafu zone B league no. Entomato maje treble dada. Ene no African Women's Champions League aye bono so no nyame adomato qualify akopie mo semi-finals. E just say money osro. Enti yem first ka nwuram yem ma yeni nkon na afen so yem invest in the Women's League. Median eno na America me jidi say beboa. Woni me ya agena. The betna snap feel so yetumi di hu komo. Papa the fresh ofia. Sanso na kwa Mr. Senior so ha. The right betna snap feel so na fisa minute mapa. Na second say nyina confirm wo a wonya bre 88 on command 97.1. Also I'll share your Facebook your command radio 97.1 on Facebook like your page na share na fufuro nya bin share for comment for to ase bre pem so be ken kind amao Sanso na YouTube so your command radio 97.1 Oko YouTube so abetuma subscribe na follow Jumedi no ho Twitter and so at Okoman 971 Twitter at Okoman 971 Sanso na Instagram so at Okoman 971 Oko Instagram so abetuma follow Jumedi